Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday by the way. We all know that Sunday isn't special without some rice. And I'm not talking about your regular rice. I'm talking about some tasty, delicious, well-seasoned jollof rice. And it can only be achieved using just two ingredients, guys. And you guys, I like to put you guys on some good stuff. And as you can tell from my attire that I'm a Zuri chef, guys. And I'll be showing you two ingredients you can add to your jollof rice to spice things up in your kitchen, guys. These are the two ingredients I'll be adding to my jollof rice today. I'll be using the Zuri chicken flavor, guys, and I'll be using the Zuri jollof flavor, guys. Once you add this to your jollof rice, like once you use this to make your chicken and use this to make your jollof rice, guys, tell me why your spouse, your friend, your boyfriend, anybody at all will not come back for more. And for my soup yearlings, if you have the Zuri classic flavor to use for your soup. But today I'll just be using the chicken flavor and the jollof flavor. So without any further ado, let's get right into cooking our tasty Zuri well-seasoned jollof rice, guys. Let's get right into the video. These are the ingredients I'll be using to make my tasty jollof rice, guys. We have my washed rice, tomato puree, pepper, onions. You guys know that I don't forget my ginger and garlic, my curry powder, thyme, have some pepper, crayfish. Optional, by the way. If you don't want to use crayfish, it's fine. Using turkey, and I'll be using chicken, guys. My seasoning cubes, I use Knorr, by the way. Salt, guys. Let's not forget main ingredients, our Zuri chicken flavor and our Zuri jollof flavor, guys. Yeah, this is not even an advert, but I'm just trying to put you guys on some good stuff so you guys already know that I love to spice my chicken very well. And let's not forget our main ingredient, our Zuri chicken flavor. I like my chicken stock to be really concentrated because that's going to be our base for our jollof rice. So I don't add extra spices while cooking the jollof rice, guys. Take a look at this chicken. Now you do this one. No, I'll probably my rice for some few minutes. Just remove the starch. I'll be washing the rice and I'll be adding some extra water to my chicken to get it done. And when it is done, I'll be frying the chicken. It's a special oil, my love. So guys, chicken is ready and we're going to start frying our chicken. But I just want to put you guys on some good stuff. I always put you on. And I cannot overly emphasize on this oil, you guys. Go get your ZYN vegetable and soya bean oil, you guys. Do not dull on this oil. See oil. See oil now. Come nearer. Feel the oil. See oil. Oil now, water. Do not dull on this oil, guys. Just take a look at this oil. Take a look at this oil, guys. So I'm going to be frying my chicken in this oil, the rest of the rice. Guys, if you're not eating healthy in this 2025, I seriously do not know what you are doing. You need to get yourself a healthy, zero cholesterol oil so you can eat healthy. Guys, look at that chicken now. Look at the oil, still maintained its state. And guys, you already know I like to fry everything. I like to put all my flavors in my oil, my bay leaf, my thyme, my curry, everything. Before I pour in my tomato puree and let it boil together. Before frying it, and when it's done frying, I'm going to be adding my bell pepper, some pepper, and then I'll let this cook. I'll be adding my crayfish, and then we'll not forget our main ingredients, our Zuri spice, before adding our rice. Then we'll just mix everything together, like make sure you mix everything together. Then we'll add our stock and add some extra water just to cook the rice. Water is enough to cook the rice. Then I'll be adjusting my seasoning to my taste. Then I'll start to combine and I'll allow this to cook until it is done, guys, and your rice is ready. My loves, our Zuri seasoned jollof rice is ready, and I use just too many ingredients to prepare the jollof rice, and that is my Zuri chicken flavor and my Zuri jollof flavor. Can you see this rice? It's not your regular. I can assure you that this rice tastes so good. In short, give this a quick taste check. Zuri you too do, because this rice is so delicious. And I've got my Zuri chilling water bottle to quench my taste while eating, guys. So guys, all you need to spice up your food in your kitchen is just your Zuri chicken flavor and your Zuri jollof flavor, guys. Bet you will not regret it. Don't forget to always use your ZYN vegetable and soya bean oil too while cooking to make more healthy and life balancing meals. I've come to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching my video. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Don't forget to comment on what you love about this video. And don't forget, if you cannot find Zuri at your local market or at any local store, or you cannot find ZYN, just place your order in the comment section and I'll be attending to it. See you guys in my next video. Zuri loves you. Mwah.